Hello and welcome to Preston Audi. My name's Charlotte and today we'll be taking you around this approved used 2023 Audi A1 Sportback Sport Edition, complemented in the modernised and sleek dew silver paintwork. Housing your 1 litre petrol engine and manual transmission, this model is an ideal nippy city runaround or perfect as a first car, with plenty of top features to enhance your drive, with your automatic LED headlights for that stylish edge and sitting comfortably on your 16-inch alloy wheels. You do also have the protection of your parking sensors for those awkward manoeuvres, alongside your power folding wing mirrors for tighter parking spots. You do also have the comfort of a full cloth upholstery with your ISOFIX points in the rear, and in the front your multifunctional leather steering wheel with access to your central touch display, and again that stylish finish of your cloth upholstery on your front sport seats. Taking a look at the steering wheel in further detail, you do have an array of audio functions, including your controls for your digital cockpit, displaying vital driving data, audio, and even your cruise control and speed limiter features. Moving across, you do have a similar access again with your radio stations and Bluetooth connectivity, with of course your on-screen vital driving data, with the added protection of your driving assistance features, including your lane departure warning. This is followed just below by your manual air conditioning controls, alongside your handy power outlets, cup holders and small storage pocket. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.